Diversifying your income is a smart financial strategy that can provide stability and reduce reliance on a single source of income. Here are some ways to diversify your income. 1. Multiple streams of income. Look for opportunities to create multiple streams of income. This could involve taking on a part-time job, freelancing or consulting in your area of expertise, starting a side business, or investing in income-generating assets such as rental properties or stocks. 2. Utilize your skills and hobbies. Identify your skills, talents, and hobbies that can be monetized. Offer your services as a freelance writer, graphic designer, photographer, tutor, or consultant. Explore online platforms and marketplaces that connect freelancers with clients in need of various services. 3. Passive income sources. Seek ways to generate passive income, where you earn money with minimal effort or ongoing involvement. This can include investing in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, peer-to-peer lending, creating digital products, or affiliate marketing. 4. Online business or e-commerce. Consider starting an online business or e-commerce store. You can sell products or services directly to customers through platforms like Shopify or Etsy, or create and monetize a blog or YouTube channel by leveraging advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. 5. Rent or lease assets. If you have assets like a spare room, car, or equipment that you don't fully utilize, consider renting or leasing them out. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, or Fat Llama allow you to earn income by sharing these assets with others. 6. Invest and save wisely. Make smart investment choices and develop a disciplined savings plan. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, to spread risk and potentially increase your returns over time. 7. Develop marketable skills. Continuously develop and enhance your skills to increase your earning potential. Stay updated with industry trends, pursue relevant certifications or courses, and network with professionals in your field to unlock new income opportunities. 8. Collaboration and partnerships. Explore collaborations and partnerships with other individuals or businesses in complementary industries. This can involve cross-promotion, joint ventures, or sharing resources to expand your reach and customer base. 9. Rent your expertise. If you have specialized knowledge or expertise, consider offering coaching, consulting, or mentoring services. You can provide one-on-one guidance, conduct workshops, or offer online courses to share your knowledge and earn income. 10. Continual learning and adaptation. Stay open to new opportunities, stay updated with market trends, and be willing to adapt and learn new skills. The ability to pivot and adjust your income strategies based on changing market dynamics is crucial for long-term success. Remember, diversifying your income takes time, effort, and careful planning. It's important to evaluate each opportunity, consider your skills and interests, and assess the potential risks and rewards. Seek professional advice if needed, and always be mindful of your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.